Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. We're back like we never did to do the network. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, like, share, comment. So when it is cooking to bring to your doorstep, don't leave them. Always tune in and stay tuned, okay? We all said the first false said she had already excited the group because Ashley was not hungry enough for fame, because she couldn't control her and she couldn't come between her and Sweetguluva. She then recruited her minors to claim their money from Gofundme. She comes to the TL and asks clueless about why the money is decreasing. They first say the rand is weak, but the number of donors are also decreasing. She then starts saying it's bouncing back. Fast forward, she's confirmed on space that people are claiming the money, saying that lady who donated 5k card send her receipts and encourage them to come more. Anyway guys, you can see how people are bringing the narrative regards to what the lady have done and what she said and whatnot. Anyway guys, this is given the face lady has been trending with her opponent, which is Chef. What is her name again? When Ashley asked about the money decreasing, she will swear at her instead of explaining what is happening and says called her a scammer. Don't move like a scammer if you don't want to be called one. Oh yeah. Anyway guys, you can see how the whole thing narrated. The first lady has been called, they have been tagging her as scammer like her birthday aid. Yeah, but right now, this moment, they were just, explaining how the whole thing went. Alright, this one said, and there's just no way same person every season can be having the same issue. It's not possible. She always has a fallout. Now they're calling her a scammer. That is how it's been done because they use that of name as a point of contact to, settle this case, because they say that was how it's been done in the Emma cases. But first and foremost, she said she's not the one handling the GoFundMe. But why is it now coming out to bring all the whole receipt and all that? It doesn't make clear to me. It doesn't make sense to me at this point. So they used her for their illegal activities, claiming to be for the good. Yesterday she responded some tweets saying she doesn't know what is happening. She would join the space to clear everything once and for all. She know all along because she was the reason behind the money decreasing. Alright, the Coco BC, they said everything that was happening, they have started reducing and decreasing the money the way things are going with them and Ashley. They have started doing that, coming to reducing that. And while reducing, Ashley was asking and they weren't giving her the answer as expected. So it looks like a kind of way that, so you guys are trying to use me to, extort money from people and it's not gonna work. That is why Ashley come to use that right on her. Anyway guys, this case broad. In fact, I'm stuck at this moment. I don't know what to say. Not even 5 or 7k and more people still taking their money, so she will wait for them to finish before stopping the good from releasing the money. That woman is a scammer. Facts. Fear of Adi is the first say. And only the person who open a GoFundMe can request refund to donor. Anyway guys, this GoFundMe, this decreasing of money that caused to this whole thing because Ashley is not aligning to what they want to offer. So they keep tarnishing or they go about doing what they know they can do in order to make her feel not happy because she's not giving them what they want. Push you. So when you're not in command and when you're not in authority and when you're pushing someone, that notion, I'm not kicking against it, but the other part, the way they were calling for that chat I saw was the way I'm speaking and laying my own emphasis on, but others I didn't even know how this come to play. But I'm gonna keep my mouth shut at this moment because it's not getting more deep and broad the way leaks expected. Imagine your own people that you hosted as a family doing this to you. Less a spoon is paired place. Those people really did so bad. They brought a misunderstanding among our family. They crossed the GoFundMe and I'm glad Ashley stood up for herself. That word stood up for herself makes sense though. My ashes and ash angels, prayer warriors, where are you? See how our queen answered the demands. Prayer for Ashley. Oh yeah, you can see the man, the child that led to all this, that escalated all this whole thing. Anyway guys, the matter true. In fact, it has been on the TL judging part. People coming, people are trying, people are tagging, like it's giving. This one said they didn't see you coming, my God. Yeah, it's all hype on hype. You guys need to rectify this, and you guys keep hyping. This one didn't come for hype at this moment. I didn't say you should not hype every bit. What the heck? Settle your dispute first before doing that. They said those are still supporting Ashley Ogu with everything happening are mentally ill. Let be known that I am now a mad woman. Yeah. Anyway, guys, you didn't stand, or you are standing before you unstand her, all because of the altercation, right? You are valid, you are normal to take in or to understand her. Why to have a train shade that all those who are standing her, because it's not giving. That doesn't give you room. You guys were standing the same people, so why throwing shade? Anyway, this one said, future BBM contestant, please watch out of these two. They are the biggest scammer. They open Gofundme in your names to control. We are tired. They must leave South Africa, big brother, please. So they must fuck off. Like they are giving them bad name. Oh yeah, this is not fair anymore. Yes, this is the falsy, the old person wearing black is hugging. Chef, you get to see the name as you watch more of the video that escaped my mind. Oh, Chef, something. Yeah. So guys, they are now tagging them to be fraudsters and scammer. I stand with you in the trying time, sending you lots of love cases. Oh yeah, standing for yeah, that's good. Most wanted suspect, very dangerous in society. Do they know anything about digital footprint? Two scammers, one residing in Canada from Niger, the other one from Ghana, who is evil but always on BP streets and being a VVIP, Foxy and Chef Delish. The other woman name is Chef Delish. Like guys, these two have been given a bad tag. They are even introducing them to the future BBM. Okay, so you get to know them. Guys, this one huge. I'm not gonna lie, because what is this all about? I'm humming on this at this moment because I'm stuck and short for words. Okay, this will say you guys, thank you for loving Ashley and standing by her. I love what I'm seeing today. They really thought we would leave her hanging. Anyway, there's all these people who are fighting for her. In fact, majority of you guys are fighting for Ashley, taking her side. It will be best you guys, settle this and be careful and let's let this end, because you guys are lingering the whole thing. It's you guys are making it linger, and which is not making sense. Alright, how am I say, what all have you all been building? Cement missing when shipping sweet like this. If I ever brand build again, call me cuckoo. Shipping to the whole world is where my shippers at. Come and mark at the end. And this one is a full stand, a full shipper. Okay, you can see how she's making just of the brand builders. Anyway, Ashley and Guluva should post a pics of them together. We're going through a lot already. Almost shipping sure past all this fake cement that they are using to build brand. Like guys, what are the cement are you guys talking about? You guys are very funny at this moment. It's all your wins at this point, because is anything that is given is normal to you guys, because you guys are using this opportunity to show and to misquote the whole thing and make it look like it is working out for your favor. Why it aren't okay? People are meant to have misunderstanding and whatnot not come to true, and just use that opportunity to make chest of them. It's not given. You can see these are the shippers calling out the fight all along to themselves. You can see the shippers, the SGs, hashes and ascenders are not getting along. They fight each other every day now and then. Now they are having the best life. They're having the best life, just like all the families. And these people are meant to be, they're meant to dine in the same place, like stand in the same faith. You're now calling them out. Is it giving out this moment? Alright, I'm confused a bit about the buying of the blue dress for her for finale. How could they have given it to her? Because they said that was what she was going to wear, so she had it while still in the shoe, or what? Anyway guys, I'm regretting what it is for her anyway, but guys, the reverse would be the case someday. I think everybody would be alright last everybody could be alright. I think that is how it's been said. So all these trolls on her, all this misconception, all this quarrel, all this fracas, it will come to an end. But while at that, people are still using it to catch crews. Okay, and it's not giving her this month because I'm not happy. I am very, very disappointed at them. I'm not gonna lie. So what about you? Let me see your take while I hang up. See you in my next video. Catch you. Bye for now.